So today we will learn about linear equations. Linear equations. So what is linear equation? Linear equation is basically an equation containing one variable with its highest power 1. So what is linear equation? Linear equation is an equation containing a variable. What is variable? Variable whose value varies, whose values are not constant. Suppose 3x plus 5 is equal to 8. Here what is the variable? X is the variable and its power is 1. So what is linear equation? Linear equation is nothing. Linear equation is an equation containing a variable with the highest power 1. Okay. Now what we have to find in linear equation is the value of the variable. So how we will find the value of the variable? Suppose here variable is 3x, x is the variable, means it is containing in 3x. So you have to keep the variable in the one side and the number in the other side, and only the number in the other side. All the variable you have to keep in one side and the number in the other side of equal to. Other side of equal to. You are seeing this equal to sign. So variable in one side and the number in the other side. So here is our variable is 3x. Now we will give equal to in the middle. Now after equal to there is 8. Now always remember, when you are taking one value from one side of the equal to the other side of the equal to, its sign always get changed. So plus, it was having plus 5, so when it will go from this side to this side, its value will change to plus 5 to minus 5. Plus 5 to minus 5. Is it clear? So always remember that when a value comes from one side to another, remember like that when you are traveling from India to suppose Pakistan or Bangladesh, your currency get changes. So suppose this is India, this is Pakistan. So when this plus 5 is going to the other side of the equal to, it is getting minus 5. So or okay, it is, if it was having minus 5, then it will happen plus 5. So like that you will remember. So when the value will go from one side of the equal to the other side of the equal to, its sign always get changes. So what will be our answer? 3x is equal to 8 minus 5 is how much? 3. Now x is equal to, now always remember that here what is happening? 3x, 3 into x is 3x though. So when there is multiplication, what will happen? The value will go to the denominator, means 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, is it clear? What's one thing I think you all know, that in case of addition and subtraction, always when it will go addition and subtraction, if it is having the same number or same variable, suppose 2x plus 4, will it get add? No, because in algebra, because it is not having any variable and it is having variable, so if it will have only the same exact variable, then only both will go plus. Suppose 2x plus 3y, will it also go? No, because both variable are different, it will not go. 4z plus 5z, it will go? Yes, because both are having same variable zz. So what is the value of 4 plus 5? 9z. So in case of addition and subtraction also the same process. The variable should always be same. The variable should always be same. Okay, so always remember, in case of addition and subtraction, the variable should be same to go in algebra case. And in case of multiplication and division, if the variable is not same also, then it goes. So suppose 5y into 7y. So what will be the answer of this? 5 into 7, 35, and y into y is how much y? Y square, we say it y square. So answer is 35y square. Or suppose 2z into 3y. What will be the answer? I have said that in multiplication and division, if the variable is not same also, then also it goes. So 3 2 is 6 and z into y, zy. So always remember, in case of addition and subtractions, the variable should be same to get means to go, and in case of multiplication and division, if the variables is also not same, then also it can go. Okay, so let's see one sum and linear equation. 2x minus 3 by 6 minus x minus 5 by 2 is equal to x by 6. Okay, so this is the equation. Now see here, everyone is containing x. Okay, now you will say that I have said that it should contain one variable. Yes, see here, only one variable it is contained. I have not said that one variable cannot get repeat. It will contain one variable. Here one variable is only x. Okay, now what do you do? It is said to be like a fraction. When there is a fraction, what do? You solve it by doing LCM. So here also we will do the same. So when there is an equation, so always give this arrow sign or sign. Okay, so 6 and 2 will be LCM of 6 and 2 will is what? 6. Now 6 multiplied by how much you get? 6. 1. So you will divide into you will get multiplied with 1 with the numerator. You will multiply the numerator with 1. So if you multiply with the numerator with 1, what will be the answer? 2x minus 3, right? Now 2 is multiplied with how much we get? 6. 3. Now 3 you will multiply with this. Always remember that while multiplying, we have to multiply also the sign also. Most of the student gets here wrong only. They do not multiply with sign. They only multiply with the number. But we have to multiply it with the sign also simultaneously. So 2 is how much? So we get 6 by multiplying 3. So we will multiply minus 3 with the numerator x minus 5. Okay, now 2x minus 3. Now we will multiply with this minus 3 with x. So what will be the answer? Minus 3x. Minus 3 with minus 5. When we multiply, minus minus plus 3 5s are 15 by 6 is equal to x by 6. Now as I said, we will solve the same variable part. 2x minus 3x is how much? I hope you know how to calculate this. 2x minus 3x is minus x. Minus 3 plus 15 is how much? Plus 12 by 6 is equal to x by 6. Now when there is equal to, always remember it always goes cross multiplication. Means 6 will be multiplied by this, and this 6 will multiplied, its opposite is x. So this will multiplied by x. This 6 will multiplied by this. So whenever there is a is equal to sign, it will be cross multiplication. So 6 we will multiply with minus x plus 12, and this with 6x. So 6 into minus x is minus 6x, plus 6 into 12 is 72 is equal to 6x. As I said, variable to one side. So here is minus 6. We will take this 6x to this side. So it will be minus 6x. And this 72 to this side. So it will be minus 72. Minus 6x is minus 12x is equal to minus 72. So there is both side in equal to. So it will both will be cancelled. So x equal to 72. As I said that it will get divided 72 by 12. That is 6. So value of x is 6. So is it clear? I hope you have understood the sum. Thank you.